Hey guys, gonna talk about the bees business course today. There's a lot of things we can learn from bees. They've been around 130 million years. Humans 1 million years. I guess that's a little bit longer. They have a successful they've been busy doing things successfully for 130 million years, so there's a couple of things we could potentially learn from them. Evolution, bees organized together for easier survival. Segregation of duties, because you're not going to take out the garbage, wash the dishes, and do everything yourself. You need to segregation of duties. Think about different human beehives and how they behave. Companies, countries, regions. Co-evolution. Plants use pollen to reproduce. Bees started to consume pollen. Plants develop nectar to attract bees. Bees use the nectar to develop honey. Bees provide basically transport for plant reproduction. Plants provide a food source in return for the bees, so it's a mutualistic relationship. Co-evolution with your customers. Think about what needs is your business addressing? On which level of Maslow's needs scale is your customer on? How well is the business addressing those needs? Castes, bees have different castes. They have a queen, responsible for reproduction planning leadership, drone, responsible for reproduction, and worker. Workers do most of the stuff: building, resource gathering, raising offspring, protection, maintenance. Business owner, in your organization, you have also different castes, responsible for hiring, planning, leadership, manager, coach, training, guiding projects, video editor, editing content, putting content together, artist, artistic work, knowledge expert, writing content, content assembler, arranging. Development cycle. The queen bee plants the whole hive and deposit eggs to create female workers, male drones, and even queen replacements. Try to think about the development cycle of your organization. Hire very slowly. Have a plan for employee life cycle, support, reward high performance, and high productivity. Communications. Bees love to communicate. They have 15 different pheromones and they communicate things like route back to the hive, enemies close by, attack, establish new hive location. The queen uses pheromones to prevent other bees from laying eggs, communicate important messages to the hive. In your organization, you want to communicate your vision. Have a 30-minute short weekly meetings, 20-minute monthly meetings, short meetings. Waggle dance. A scout bee, after it locates a high yield food source, it comes back to the hive and dances. So the dance direction identifies the food source in relation to the position of the sun and the hive. Basically, she gives directions on how to get to the high yield food source. You want to do your own waggle dance. Talk to business owners, go to trade shows, sponsor local charity events, and don't forget, please, very important, waggle dance at the team meetings to inform your organization of new opportunities. Many organizations overload their bees, results in high turnover, poisonous culture, no time for learning and development. Bees have a certain percentage of their workforce on standby, resting. Try not to overload your bees. Give them space for creative projects. Have extra bees on standby to fast track a project. And try to create a culture of learning and development. When the hive becomes too large, the bees split. Look for a new home. With your organization, you want to understand when your organizational structure becomes too large to manage. Bees know the seasons. They save the honey for winter time. So your organization should also prepare for a business winter time by saving your resources with careful and controlled growth. Get my worksheet uh, class below. It's only $3.99, and it will help to organize your small business and hopefully um, help you go to that next level from one person maybe to two or three, small team, and then hopefully um, grow your small business. I wish you the best in your business. See you soon.